Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Qur'an, ما يفتح الله للناس من رحمة فلا ممسك لها. Whenever Allah opens a door of mercy for you, nobody can close that door. وما يمسك فلا مرسل له من بعده. And if He closes the door, none can open it but Him. We learn from Allah's name Al-Fattah that the mercy, the bounty, the gifts of Allah, you can think of them like they are doors. And many of us in this world, some doors are closed to us and some doors are open. I'll give you an example. Some people here, like this young man here and this young man here, Allah opened them the door of learning, of memorization, of understanding. Many of us here, we sit with one page of Qur'an for 6 days, we cannot memorize one line. It's like that door has been closed for us. But there are people here, when they give charity, nobody can beat them in charity. There are people here, when it comes to the night prayer, nobody can beat them in the night. There are people here, when it comes to kindness to relatives, kindness to the needy and the sick and the poor, nobody can beat them. Allah opened for each of us a different door to worship Him, a different door to serve Him. But what happens to us? We see somebody and one of Allah's doors has been closed to them. So we say, look at this guy. He can't even pray the tahajjud. He can't even pray Taraweeh. He prayed Isha and he left. We didn't know. He prayed Isha. He went home to massage his mother's feet, to care for his ill mother. Who is great in the sight of Allah? Somebody tending to an ill parent or somebody praying optional prayer in the masjid. No doubt it is the person who is doing the obligatory duty of looking after their parents. It's far greater in the sight of Allah. Allah opens one door to them and He closes another. Never despair when you feel Allah has closed some doors of worship. For some of you here, you have very stressful and long hours that you work. You work in security. You work in physical labor. You work in construction. You work in decoration. You work in taxi. 12 hours you are driving, talking to customers. 12 hours you are bending your back in the sun. You are sweating and you are thinking, I'm not able to recite the Qur'an. I'm not able to remember Allah. I'm not able to do charity. I'm stuck in this job the whole day. It is like Allah has closed the door for me to worship Him. Realize, Allah may have closed one door for you, but He has opened for you another. As it is stated in a hadith, its authenticity is disputed, but its meaning is correct. Al-Kasibu Habibullah. Whoever earns a halal income is the beloved of Allah. Allah opened for you this door to worship Him. Don't underestimate this door. If Allah opened for you one door to worship Him, don't underestimate, don't belittle what Allah has given you the opportunity to do. He is Al-Fattah. And if you want more opportunities, ask Him. He is the one who opens all doors. Very often in this world, especially in some Muslim countries, in order for you to get something, a job, a position, a power, an exception, you need one special word. In Arabic, it starts with waw. Wasta. Connections. The famous statement, you call somebody, look, I need somebody to give me a refund on this item. They say, do you know anybody? Man ta'rif. Who are you? It's not about what you are, it's about who you know. For many of us, we know that there are so many things in this world we cannot get unless we know somebody who knows somebody who can make it happen for us. Allah's name Al-Fattah teaches you something. Very often we rely on people to open doors for us. Some connection, some powerful connection, some wealthy connection to go and call the member of parliament, call somebody they know in the police force, somebody they know in the hospital. Allah's name Al-Fattah teaches us. Who did Ayub alayhi salam know when he was in the belly of the whale? Who did Yusuf alayhi salam know when he was locked away in a room in the palace? When he was imprisoned? Who did Musa alayhi salam know when he was exiled in Madian for 10 years in the middle of nowhere? When you know nobody, when all the doors are closed, ask Allah Al-Fattah, the one who opens all doors. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Qur'an, رَبَّنَا افتح بيننا وبين قومنا بالحق وأنت خير الفاتحين. When the prophets, when they give up on their people, they tried all the methods to invite them to Allah. Morning, night, loud, quiet, secret, public. They tried so many ways to convince the people around them. Still, it's like their hearts are closed and locked up. Then they ask Allah with His name Al-Fattah, "O Allah, open the hearts of my people to guidance. You are the opener of everything that is closed."